Hello dear fans. How to determine the speed of a bullet. Any owner of a pneumatic weapon sooner or later wonders what its real power is. The optimal indicator of the power of the weapon is the speed of the bullet, measured using a special instrument, a chronograph. However, this device is not always available, and in addition, has measurement errors. Fortunately, there is a more affordable and accurate method for measuring bullet velocity, the ballistic pendulum. Instructions. Step 1. To measure the velocity of a bullet with a ballistic pendulum, first make a suspension. It can be made from any material in which a bullet can get stuck and remain. For example, you can take a box of about 5 by 5 centimeters and fill it with plasticine, adding a little lead, or you can take a block of metal or wood and make a notch in its end for a layer of plasticine. The suspension must weigh at least 100 grams, but not more than 300 grams. Be sure to measure the gimbal weight as accurately as possible. Step 2. Make the strands so long that there is a distance of at least 180 centimeters from the axis of the suspension to the center of gravity of the suspension. You can hang the pendulum in the doorway so that it reaches almost to the floor. To eliminate its rotation, hang the bar with 4 strands. Step 3. Take a ruler and a slider that will slide along it under the action of the pendulum. As a slider, you can take an empty matchbox frame. Calm down the pendulum and set the ruler to 0 on it. Rearrange the slider without bringing it a couple of centimeters to the expected speed. Check how easily the pendulum pushes the slider. Step 4. Determine the mass of the bullet. To do this, use a pharmaceutical scale and weigh groups of 10 to 20 bullets, and then calculate the average. The mass must be calculated with an accuracy of 1/100th of a gram. Step 5. Make a test shot past the gimbal to make sure that the gases escaping during the shot do not affect the deflection of the pendulum. Step 6. Shoot the pendulum suspension. After firing at the slider, determine, to the nearest millimeter, the distance the pendulum has deflected. Step 7. Calculate the bullet velocity using the formula V equals m plus m slash m asterisk s asterisk sqrt g slash l. V bullet speed in m slash s. M suspension mass in kg. M is the mass of the bullet in kg. G acceleration due to gravity equals 9.81. L suspension length in meters. S deflection of the pendulum in meters. Step 8. To achieve an accurate result, repeat the procedure several times. And don't forget about safety precautions. Thanks for watching.